Today I am reviewing this reverse osmosis water filtration series from SimPure. It's their T1 series. You can see all the motor and everything right here. All your filters go down here. You have your alkaline filter, your reverse osmosis, CTO, PP. Shows you your water pressure right there. You have your pump right here. Hooks up to just a standard outlet. Pretty cool stuff. Also comes with this really cool faucet. On-off switch, very simple, nice stainless steel, easy to install. You can put it in a hole in your sink, or you could drill another one if you need to. So, and we also have all of the install hardware. Got our hoses and different mounts and everything, and all our filters. So I'm going to go ahead and get this installed, then we're going to do some tests and see how much better our water is. So here it is all installed. It was actually very easy to install. See, it has this pressure gauge right here. Plugs right in. You just put these lines. You can see it goes right into there. Haven't hooked the wastewater one up yet. Going to do that in a bit. But overall, working great. You go ahead. You just turn your faucet on. And here's the faucet right here. Nice, easy operation. Comes right out. You can hear it turn on down there. Very quiet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little test between the tap water and this with this pH tester. And what's really cool about this water filter is that it has a UVL filter, which brings back minerals, and it has a UV filter to kill bacteria and all kinds of other stuff. But that water looks great. Let's compare it to right here. Look at that. I mean, I don't know what else needs to be said than just looking at these two. But yeah, let's check them out. I'm going to do a little taste test and pH comparison. Here is our reverse osmosis water, or filtered water right here. Crystal clear, pouring it in. Looks fantastic. All that remineralization. And then compare it to that, all gray and cloudy. Alright, so here's the reverse osmosis. I'm going to read the pH. We're at 10.9. Now, let's see. 10.96. The other one. Turned on. We're at 8.78. So there we go. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.